You're watching How to use word effects on Facebook Messenger. This feature, also called word effects or message effects, lets you add animations to specific words in a chat. First, ensure both you and your friend have the latest version of Messenger. Open a chat with the person. To trigger an effect, you must type a specific keyword. For example, typing congratulations or congrats will make confetti fall. Typing happy birthday triggers a birthday cake animation. The effect happens automatically when you send the message containing the exact keyword. You don't need to enable anything. It's built in. To see all available word effects while in a chat, tap the three-dot menu next to the text field. Select Message Effects. Here you can browse different effects like love, celebrate, or popping confetti. Some effects are tied to words, while others can be applied to any message. To apply a general effect to any message, type your text, then long press the blue Send button. Paper airplane. A menu of effects will appear. Swipe left to browse options like echo, spotlight, or balloons. Select one, then release the Send button to send the message with that effect. The recipient will see the animation. Word effects are fun and interactive, but both users need updated apps to see them. Some effects are seasonal or may be added by Facebook for special events. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.